This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Chip Landers. Renovate or upgrade? That is the question. This home has a great floor plan that is open, yet the rooms still have their own definition. The home is situated on a heavily wooded lot for privacy and shade. All the bedrooms are much larger than seen in today's homes. Buyers can live in the home while they renovate or upgrade. Perfect location for those new to the beachside or WHO want to downsize from their large home elsewhere. Just a short distance to South Beach or Street. EDS School. Castaway Cove Wave 2 is a gated community with large oak trees, winding roads, and even a park at the riverside. For more information, review the details below.